In this video, I'll show you how to change app icons on your Android phone. Android offers built-in customization options, so you don't need any extra apps to get started. Let's go step by step and explore the different ways you can personalize your app icons. To begin, open your phone's settings and use the search bar to look for the word Icons. This will take you to the icon customization options available on your device. From here, you can adjust the size of your app icons and change the background colors for compatible apps. Depending on the icon pack or system support, you may be able to choose different colors like blue or green, and the changes will apply automatically to supported icons. If you're looking for more variety and creative designs, you can head over to the Themes section. Go to Personalization, scroll down, and tap on Themes to browse a wide selection of icon styles. You'll find many different options, including colorful, cute, and minimalist designs. Some themes are free, while others may be paid, so feel free to explore and choose what suits your style best. Once you find a theme with icons you like, simply download it and tap Apply to set it on your phone. And that's how you can change app icons on Android. There are plenty of customization options available, so you can make your phone look exactly the way you want. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.